Hello, my name is Yvonne Albaran, and my strategy that I chose to do is the multiplication box strategy. So the multiplication box strategy is a strategy that our fourth grade teachers use with the students to help them multiply double digits easier or more easily. So let's say our example would be 37 times 4. The first step that the students would do would be to take this number and write it in expanded form. So the expanded form of that would be 30 plus 7. The next step would be to draw a box, and then you write 30 plus 7 on top, and your single number on the side. After you've done that, you multiply each number and you write it in each square. So 30 times 4 is 120. 4 times 7 is 28. So these are our partial products. After you get all of the partial products, you add them up together. So 120 plus 28 is 148. So that gives us the total product. So 37 times 4 is 148. And this is an easier process. It's a strategy that our fourth grade teachers use to show our students how to multiply double digits by single digits or double digits by double digits. For a double digit by a double digit, the only change would be that you make your box bigger, obviously, and you have to write both numbers in expanded form. So for example, if we have 51 times 23, we write this number in expanded form, which is 50 plus 1. And you also write this number in expanded form, which is 20 plus 3. And then you make a 4 by 4 square, a 2 by 2 square. And you write one equation on the top part and the other equation on the side. And then you just multiply them like that. So 50 times 20 is 1,000.
Teachers, this is a reminder that your grade verification folders that were placed in your box today are due tomorrow morning by 7:45. Thank you.
Okay, and then 50 times 3 is 150. 1 times 20 is 20. 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have all 4 of our partial products, and we just add them up all together. So 1,000 plus 150 is 1,150, plus 20 is 1,170, plus 3 is 1,173. So this strategy is a lot easier than having to do it the traditional way of 51 times 23, where you have to add the 0 after you multiply the first number, and then you add, and I can see how kids would be very confused with multiplying double digits by double digits the traditional way. This way makes it a lot more feasible. It makes it a lot more, you can visually see exactly what you're doing, and it's kind of hard to mess up on it. So the students really enjoy the strategy, and I've seen that they enjoy it so much that they like to teach it to other students that are struggling. And that's what I like about it, which is how I know that the students are learning off of the strategy, because if they like it and they understand it and they want to teach it, that just means that they've become experts in learning how to multiply double digits by double digits, which is always the goal with any strategy that we use. We want the students to be able to grasp any concept easier and make it fun, and this is exactly what this strategy does. So that was my strategy, the multiplication box strategy, and I hope you enjoyed it.